Oh my goodness. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Lulu, and please make sure to subscribe. So for today's video, I am so excited because I am finally redoing my room. My room has been pretty much like the same theme and stuff, like very pink and polka dots for like a couple years now, and I'm finally ready to kind of switch it up a bit. So for my birthday, I got this collage kit and I literally love it. It's very like ocean inspired, but it doesn't really match with like my pink and like polka dot theme that I had before. So I thought, why not just redo my whole room and make it into a video for you guys. I also got a full-length mirror from Urban Outfitters for Christmas, and it is so cute. My whole room is gonna be like very oceany and beachy. I'm just gonna give you guys a little tour because I've never done a room tour. So this is the first wall. It basically just has like my door and it's like tan, and then over here I have this cute pink like collage grid thing, and I really love it still, honestly. And then it has these cute like fairy lights that I put all around it. I honestly still love this, but I don't think it really matches with like the beachy theme that like my collage kit is gonna look like. But I'm gonna keep my desk, and I have this cute like fluffy thing, and let's just pretend that I made my bed today and ignore that. And then over here I have this cute little shelf unit that I've had since I was basically like a baby, and it's kind of wonky, like it goes like that. I don't know if that's okay. Then over here I have this ginormous wall, and that's the one that the collage kit is going to be on, so it's going to take up like a lot of my room. I don't think I'm going to do much to my bathroom because I like it this way. So to put up the collage wall, I got these command strips that I found on Amazon, and yeah, I've used these a couple times before. So yeah, I really like these a lot. If you get a collage wall or ever put up a collage wall, definitely get these because they stay a lot better than tape. So I'm so excited, and let's go put up my wall. Okay, so that was super disappointing. I tried to put them up with the command strips, but it did not work. It would not stick. So I'm gonna switch to Scotch tape. Hopefully this will stick, because if it doesn't, I don't have a plan B, and that would really stink. So wish me luck. I'm gonna try it. Okay, so second disappointment. I tried the Scotch tape and I figured out that it's the paint on my wall. I asked my parents about it, and they said that it must be like a weird like gloss paint, because my wall does look suspiciously shiny. So I'm gonna do duct tape. Hopefully this will work. Cross your fingers. This is hopefully gonna work because it's super strong, but so is this wall. So I'm gonna try this. Okay, so I put tons of duct tape. If this doesn't work, I have no idea what I'm gonna do other than like put it on a different wall, but I really had my heart set on this one. Okay, so I tried the duct tape. It did not work. This is literally getting so annoying. I've tried like 3 things. This is happening. Are you kidding me? It's like, why won't this stick? It's kind of weird. Like I can feel this wall feels like glossy, and then when you go down to like down here, it does not feel like glossy. So I don't really know what to do because it could be on all of my walls in my room. So I'm just going to redo the rest of my room. So right now I was thinking I could do this because I really like it, but I was thinking of switching it out for like some pictures of like me and my friends and just like cute memories. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Over the summer I got a disposable camera, and I took some like really cool pictures. And then I also used to have a Polaroid camera, and I used to take Polaroids literally everywhere. It was so much fun, but then it broke. But anyways, I still have a bunch of Polaroids. So I just finished my wall. I have a bunch of cute like Polaroids and little cute pictures and stuff, and I'm really liking it a lot, but I feel like it does look just like a little bit like empty. So I'm gonna get a couple pictures and I'm gonna put more up on there when I get some printed out. But right now, this is all I'm gonna do with it, and I think it looks really cute. This is like my favorite picture ever. I think this looks really cute. It's actually a Brandy Melville sticker, but I just like hung it from the little thing, and I think it looks really cute. And then This is so cute. The sunset looks so pretty there. Here's me and my cat. I have my Ariana Grande ticket. Oh my gosh, it looks so cute. Okay, so today is the next day. It is Sunday, and yesterday was a big fail because I tried to put up the wall and it did not work. So today I'm gonna be redoing like my furniture and just kind of rearranging my room. I got a full-length mirror for Christmas and I can't wait to show you guys. It is so cute. And I also got this beach print. So I'm gonna put this up today and I'm so excited. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna move my bed because I don't like the place that it's in now. Yes, it looks so good. I just put up the mirror over there. I love it. It's so awesome. So this is what the mirror looks like. It has like white wood. I got it from Urban Outfitters for Christmas. Here's when I back up like farther. Okay, so this is my nightstand. I have two, but this one, I'm just gonna put some like books right here. On top, I have like a couple books. This is the Magnolia story. It's upside down. A glitter globe of me and my friend. And then I have this. My dad gave it to me and it's really cool. It's like a diffuser. And then I just have a couple books right here. Yeah, this isn't like super staged or anything because I kind of want to keep this area like super practical. My other, oh, I missed it. My other nightstand, and yeah, I'm gonna make this one like the cute one with like little books and like necklaces. So I have two of these cute little glitter globes. In one I put like a Polaroid of me and my friend, and then in the other one I put this Brandy Melville sticker. I think it looks so cute. I honestly just love this. I have this cute like arrow necklace holder. I've had this for a while. My mom gave it to me for Valentine's Day like 2 years ago. I have some black cat eye sunglasses. I literally love these. Then I have this glitter globe that I showed you guys where I put a Brandy Chill scent sticker in. I think that looks so cute. And then my notebook and this little cute book. It looks so cute. I love it. And then down here, I just have a bunch of books. So right here, I have this cute, like fluffy white tuffet, and it has some gold legs. I love this. I've had it for like a couple months now, and I'm gonna put it over there at my desk because I think it looks really cute there. So now I'm gonna make my bed because I want to make my bed. I feel like it makes your room look so much cuter. I'm not getting any new bedding because I actually like the bedding that I have. I have to wake up this precious angel. This is the bedding. I have this quilt that I've had for so long. I don't even know where it's from. These are from Target. This fluffy coral blanket, and then there's a matching pillow, and then I have my little sloth. I got him from Urban Outfitters. The next thing that I'm gonna do is hang up my beach print. On camera, it's not really showing the colors like as well as it looks like in real life, but it's like a pinky sand and then like blue water and then like rocks in the middle. It's so pretty. I'm gonna put it on this wall like right there. So I just hung up the art print. It looks so pretty. It's like pink sand and then like water, and it looks so cute. I love this. And then here, I think it just looks kind of a little like empty. So I got this mirror and I've had it for a while now. I think it was like my great grandmother's. It looks really pretty. My dad painted it white, and I think it looks really cute if I like put it on here, so that could be like my makeup / get ready area. Yes, it looks so cool. I love it. I love just like my bucket hat and like this because it makes it like super cute, and I love the mirror because it's like rustic, like my mirror. Here is what my room looks like now. Welcome to my room. So the first thing when you walk in, you see the door, and over here, when you first walk to your left, you see my desk. Right here, I have a bunch of cute Polaroids and like disposables and cute Brandy Melville stickers. Then I have my desk and this cute fluffy white like seat. And then over here I have my mirror. I love it. I got it from Urban Outfitters. And then I have my nightstand. This is my bed and I like it a lot. I've had it for like 6 years, I don't know, a long time. I really like it. It's like white and like iron. And then I have this pink fluffy throw on it and some white bedding. Then over here is my other nightstand. This is my shelf unit. And then up here, I'm gonna add like some string lights that go from one end to the other, but I don't have them yet. So just imagine some string lights right here. And then this is my cute beach print. This is probably, or the mirror, is my favorite part of the whole room transformation. I think it is so cute. So that was my room transformation. If you guys enjoyed it, please subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you guys want a room tour, like a full room tour once I get the lights up and like a couple other things in here. All of my social medias will be linked down below in the description box. Keep smiling and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! What am I doing? Oh my gosh, there's a cute duck out there. What is he doing? What is that duck doing? Okay. Cute. You rock those taco shorts. I just feel like it makes your room look like, oh, what is my hair doing? Right here is my bed. Then you turn, there's a mirror, desk, door, vacuum. I'm used to doing that.